Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is again one of the actual guide questions. Level is 1, range is 600, concept is subject verb, agreement and logical meaning. Many psychologists and sociologists now contend that the deliberate and even brutal aggression integral to some forms of competitive athletics increase the likelihood of imitative violence that erupts among crowds of spectators dominated by young adult males. What is verb here? Increase. And what is subject? Aggression. Why aggression? If you remember rule number 1, that is whenever there is phrase before verb, subject will be before first preposition. If you do not remember rule, I'll share link in description. You can click and go through once again. Alright, let me elaborate. You have two clauses here. Many psychologists and sociologists now contend. And after that, another clause starts. Alright, and that is deliberate and even brutal aggression. Why not the deliberate and brutal? Because they are adding information to aggression. Deliberate aggression, brutal aggression. So they are modifier. And that is why they will not be the part of subject. Subject will be aggression. As per the rule number 1, that is before first preposition. So aggression increases should be the correct one, but it is increase, that is plural. So option A out, option B out, and option C out. D says increases the likelihood for imitative violence to erupt. What is the meaning of it? It says increases the likelihood for imitative violence. Actually, likelihood is not increasing for imitative violence, but the logic is it increases, and because of that increases, the violence will erupt among crowds. So reason is not imitative violence, but likelihood, and after likelihood something will happen, and that is imitative violence. So option D out, E becomes best option.